Hello guys, today I want to show you how to read user codes on ITEL 2160. It's a button phone. When I put it on my platform detector, I found out that the phone is a SPD, and after plugging it on my Miracle SCAR module, I used the SEC6531 and I identified the phone. The phone was identified, everything was good, and then I said read user code. After reading the user code, this is the code that was read, 8544. You see the state of the odd active. When I put the code on the phone opened and the owner was happy. So always remember, mostly when you are working on this, mostly ITEL and these button phones, the SPDs, mostly use this CPU 6531. Mostly will pick, but the other ones sometimes they refuse because they are RDAs. They also buttons. So always check first the CPU platform detector will tell you if it's an RDA, use RDA. If it's an SPD, use SPD. Always remember to click on the like button and subscribe button. Share my videos to your friends so that they can also benefit from them. Thank you.